In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this CVLIFE Tanto pocket knife that was sent over to me to check out and give you guys a quick demo to help you decide if this is right for you or not. So this comes with obviously your knife. You're going to get an owner's manual. This is just go over general care usage of the knife, and they're also going to give you a nice little cleaning cloth here. So guys, this here is a roughly 8 and a quarter inch long overall length with a 3.5 inch blade. It's got these nylon handles here. It's got some texture on there, making it very easy to hold on to. It does have a lanyard hole on the top. It's got a metal belt clip, which is nice. That's reversible. You can put this on either side. It does have a flipper for quick opening. The bearings in there are pretty smooth. No grit there, pretty smooth there. It's got a nice stainless steel Tanto blade there. Pretty thick actually. And you got a lever lock on the bottom here for locking and releasing the blade. Now the thing I like most about this here is that it's got this thumb ledge on the top there. So guys, this here is perfect for, you know, your EDC if you're out camping in the wilderness or whatever, cutting paracord, very sharp. Also, this thumb ledge here is perfect for carving. So this here's a piece of fat wood here, and just the control you get from having that thumb ledge there is incredible, guys. So it's about 1 inch thick, so it's very comfortable in the hand, very ergonomic, and very sharp. So if you guys are looking for a nice EDC camping survival knife, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.